So Heist, welcome to the stage and let us know who won this award.
Thank you. And the winner of Professional Service Provider of the Year is BuildGreen. Congratulations.
Sometimes I get a good feeling.
Congratulations.
Thank you, first of all, to the jury member. Thank you, Craig. It's an honor to be here. I think we are here with C event for at least 10 years from now. So it's an honor for us. I want to thank you especially to my team, which support me and make this happen. And last year was a great year for us, and we need to thank you also to our clients. Thank you very much.
Congratulations again, and come join us for a photo.